the right effects for nighttime, we need a fog effect, which is made by a particle shader on a box in Blender, but it's also in Unity made by something called you can just take the box and then add something called a volumetrics. Besides that, I also put a blue effect on, so the light is more outstanding and crisp. And then you get this. That's one. Hey, my name is Rosa, and I'm gonna talk about the last couple of projects I made in this module. I will start by showing some clips from the games. The first project we made in the art direction in the module is the city called Amela. It is this nymph city where you play as this nymph child who is looking for his mom. You can see it's very dream fantasy-like city with exaggerated features and a lot of water as the nymphs. Yeah. And then the next project we made the city called Hypatia. This is a very pretty city, but as you get deeper in the city, you notice something is off. There is slaves all over, there's rape in the city, and there's a lot of drug abuse. So it has two sides, you know, and it's kind of a weird contrast, but very interesting. So you think you're welcome at first, but then you can feel something is off. So, from my own project, I made assets for a game that is taking place on a deserted island. So here I just show what I like best about it, which is how I made the interior for all the buildings. Something you could need to know, like the two models on the left, like the small house and the wine cellar, is supposed to be by themselves. Like there's not going to be a loading screen when you try to insert the room. As for the big lighthouse, it is you're only supposed to get in there when you are in the end of the game and have a key. So I wanted this scene to be by itself, loaded in a new scene, as it would be easier to control the lights and the effects, as it needs to be a little more impactful at the end of the game. This is an example scene, so you have a bit better understanding how the game could look like with effects and all. I just made a simple plane, some grass and stuff, and put some trees there, and the small hut, and of course the best asset, the light tower. See, a lot of great effects. I'm pretty proud of them. It looks pretty with the light. And yeah, the lighthouse is supposed to be in the distance, that's why it's kind of small. It's easier to render in that way, instead of just putting it a long distance away. So, with that, right, I will talk about how I made what I made in this these games. Familiar. One thing I'd like to show, like how I unwrapped stuff, and this is the best part, in my opinion, as I really like this dream house. It is the asset I use most time, but it paid off, I think. As it did the nice unwrap, make it is easy to change the textures and fit it how I want it.